Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Idea. This video is also available in Hindi. यह वीडियो हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. If you are directly viewing this video and coming to this channel, then I will suggest you to go through my introduction video first to understand the presentation structure of the course content. Today we are at workshop session 6 for the matrices. In this workshop session 6, we will discuss about determinants. Okay, how to find the determinants, and we will do the problems of NCERT exercise. Okay, so what is the intent of today's class? Today's class intent is we will run through the exercise problem of the NCERT, okay, for determinants. Right, now let's get started. Let's move on to problem number 1. My problem number 1 is I have to find the determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. So I have to find the determinant of this. I had done the detailed explanation class how to find the determinants of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 square matrices. Please go through that. Before coming to this class, I will suggest you to please visit my detailed explanation class. Okay. There I had clearly explained very slowly that how to find the determinant of the 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. So here it is 2 by 2, right? So 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. This will be the determinant of this 2, 4, 5, minus 1. So first you have to multiply this, after that you have to multiply this, after that you have to subtract those two multiplications. So 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. This is minus 2 plus 20. Answer is 18. Okay. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Okay. Now let's move on to problem number 2. Let's move on to problem number 2. In this problem number 2, we are having two parts. Okay, number 1 and number 2. In first part, I have to find the determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. After that, I have to find the determinant of x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so these two problems I have to solve in this problem number 2. Okay, now let's get started with the first part. So here cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. So it will be cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Then it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. Okay, this will become sin square theta, minus minus will become positive. So it is cos square theta plus sin square theta. You will get it as equal to 1. Now let's come to this problem. In this problem, what we will do? We will multiply this element and this element. Okay, then it will be x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus. Now you multiply these two, x plus 1, x minus 1. So this is one multiplication and other multiplication is this. So x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, are you getting it? Now this is in the form of a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the formula for a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is a square minus ab plus b square into a plus b. So here a is x and b is 1. So x cube plus 1 cube minus, it is a plus b, a minus b, x plus 1, x minus 1. So it is x square minus 1. Okay, so it will become x cube minus x square plus 2. Okay, x cube minus x square plus 2, right? Okay, This completes problem number 2. Let's move on to problem number 3. Let's move on to problem number 3. In this problem, it's given that if A is this matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, then we have to show that 2A, determinant of 2A equal to 4 times of determinant of A. Okay. What is 2A here over here? 2 is a scalar which is multiplied with the matrix A. That means 2 is multiplied with each and every element in matrix A. So what will be my 2A? My 2A will be, where A is multiplied with each and every element in matrix A, it will become 2, 4, 8, 4. Okay, this will be my 2A. What will be my det of 2A? Det of 2A will be 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. It will be 2 for the 8, 8 for the 32. So 8 minus 32, which is equal to minus 24. Okay. So determinant of 2A is minus 24. What is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is 1, 2, 4, 2. This is 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6. Okay, 2 minus 8 which is equal to minus 6. Now here it is minus 24. So how many times it is? Minus 24 is 4 times of 6, right? So you can further write it as 4 into minus 6. Minus 24 can be written as 4 into minus 6 and it is equal to 4 into det A. Okay, because det A is minus 6. So we can replace minus 6 with det A. So it will become scalar multiplication of 2 with A and det of that equal to 4 into determinant of A or det of A. Got it? This completes problem number 3. Let's move on to problem number 4. Let's move on to problem number 4. In this problem, A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix where A is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. Then we have to show that 3 times of A is equal to 27 times of det A. Det of scalar multiplication of 3 to A is equal to 27 times the det of A. We have to show that. Okay. So what will be my 3A? 3A will be 3 multiplied to each and every element, right? So it will be 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. This will be 3A. Now determinant of 3A we have to find. It will be equal to, I will find by first row, by expanding through the first row. Go to my detailed explanation class where I had told how to find the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, there you will get sufficient information about how to find the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. Here I am solving directly. So it will be 3 into 36 minus 0 is 36 minus 0 into something, it will be 0 plus 3 into, here it will be 0. 3 into 0, it will be 0. So it is 3 into 36, which is 108. So 3A is 108. Okay. Now what is the determinant of A? Determinant of A will be, I will expand through first row. So it will become 1 into 4 minus 0 into some 0, it will be 0 plus 1 into 0. So answer will be 4. So that A will be equal to 4. This 108 can be written as 4 into 27, right? 27 4s are 108. So this 4 you can replace it with that A. You can see here 4 is the that A, right? So this 4 can be replaced by that A. So it will be determinant of A into 27, or we can write it as 27 that A. Are you getting it? So that of 3A equal to 27 that A. Right? This completes problem number 4. Let's move on to problem number 5. Let's move on to problem number 5. This problem number 5 have two parts. We have to find this determinant of 3 by 3. Okay. So let's start. First is 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Okay. So determinant of this I will expand through second row. Why I will expand through second row? Because second row is having two zeros. So I can expand through directly through minus 1. So it will become minus of minus 1 plus, sorry, minus plus minus. Okay, this is the sign convention. I had told you in detailed explanation class. Please go through that. So minus of minus 1, it will be minus 15 plus 3. So minus 15 plus 3, it will be minus 12. So the answer of first is minus 12. Now come to the second one. In second, it will be 2 zeros are 0, minus 5, minus 1, so it will become plus 1, 0, it will become plus 3, and minus 2, and it will become minus 5 plus 6, minus 6, so it will be minus 6. So this will come out to be minus 10 plus 3 plus 12. So it is 5. So second one's determinant is 5 and first one determinant is minus 12. Okay. You understood here, right? Here it is 2 into 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5, 0 minus 5, it is minus 5. So like that we have to put it for each and every element for the first row. Then we will come up with 5. Okay. This completes problem number 5. Let's move on to problem number 6. Okay, let's move on to problem number 6. In this problem number 6, we can see A is a 3 by 3 matrix, right? For this 3 by 3 matrix, we have to find the determinant. So, for this 3 by 3 matrix, let's get started. So that A, it will be, I will expand through first row, first element is 1, okay. After that, minus 9, minus 12. So minus 9 minus 12, it will become plus 12. So minus 9 plus 12. Now second element, it will become plus minus plus. So minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15. Okay, minus 18 plus 15. And last element is minus 2. Minus 2, after, with that 4 to the 8. 8 minus 5. Okay. 8 minus 4 to the 8 minus 5. This is equal to 12 minus 9 is 3. Now here it is minus 3. So it will become plus 3. Here it is 8 minus 5, 3 minus 6. So 6 minus 6, it is 0. So determinant of this matrix is 0. Okay. So this completes problem number 6. Let's move on to problem number 7. Let's move on to problem number 7. Problem number 7, we have to find the values of x. So this is the determinant equation. You find the determinant in LHS, you find the determinant in RHS, then you will get an equation. From that equation, you have to find the value of x. Got it? So there are two problems in this one. We will solve both the problem. So let's get started with the first. So determinant of 2, 4, 5, 1. It is 2 minus 20. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18. Okay. 2 1 are 2 minus 5 4 are 20. So 2 minus 20 minus 18. Here it is 2x square minus 24. Okay, 2x square minus 24. So what is the value of 2x square now? 2x square equal to 24 minus 18, which is 6. So x equal to plus or minus root 3. 2x square equal to 6 means x equal to plus or minus root 3. Okay, x square will be 3. So x will be plus or minus root 3. Okay. Next, now come to this equation. Here it is 5 to the 10, 4 3 the 12. So 10 minus 12. So here it is 10 minus 12 equal to. Here you find the determinant 5x minus 6x. So it will be 5x minus 6x. Okay. So it is minus 2 equal to minus x, means x equal to 2. Okay. So for first part the answer is x equal to plus or minus root 3, and for second part the answer is x equal to 2. This completes 7th problem. Now let's move on to 8th problem. My 8th problem is x to 18x, that of this equal to 6 to 18 6. Then find the value of x. So what we have to find? Find x. X we need to find. So whether x is 6, plus or minus 6, minus 6 or 0. So you can see that by comparison we can directly see that x is 6. But that is a wrong method to do this problem. Okay. We don't have to, we don't use comparison over here. We have to solve the equation, right? Because here it is 18, here it is 18, here it is 2, here it is 2. So you can directly tell that x can be 6, but x can be minus 6 also. If you put minus 6 also, these two will get same answer. Both of them will yield same answer. Okay. So that's why what we have to do, we have to solve this equation. So it will be x square minus 36. So x square minus 36 equal to, it is 36 minus 36. So it is 36 minus 36. Okay. So x square minus 36 equal to 0. So x square equal to 36, or x equal to plus or minus 6. So what is the value of x? X value is plus or minus 6. This is the answer. Okay. So this completes problem number 8, and this ends today's class as well. Okay. If you are happy with the content, please press like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. For the further problems, please stay connected with my workshop sessions. Thank you.